Proteus is one of the most fascinating moons of Neptune, intriguing scientists with its unique features and mysterious characteristics. As the second largest moon of Neptune, it orbits the planet in a region that has been studied extensively since its discovery. Though Proteus is not as well known as Neptune's largest moon, Triton, it holds a distinct place in the pantheon of moons within our solar system, providing valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary bodies. Proteus was discovered in 1989 by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft during its flyby of Neptune. The spacecraft's observations revealed an irregular, heavily cratered moon with a somewhat flattened shape, suggesting that Proteus is not spherical like many moons in the solar system. Its surface is covered in impact craters, some of which are quite large, indicating that it has experienced a history of violent collisions. These craters give Proteus an ancient, scarred appearance, making it one of the most heavily cratered moons in the entire solar system. Proteus is unique in that it does not have a noticeable atmosphere, nor does it exhibit any geological activity, which is in stark contrast to some of Neptune's other moons. The moon's surface is made of a mixture of water ice and rock, and its lack of significant atmosphere suggests that it has not experienced major changes in its environment for billions of years. Proteus also lacks the volcanic activity seen on other moons, such as Io, one of Jupiter's moons. However, this stability over time has allowed scientists to learn more about the impact history of Neptune's moon system. The moon's size is another intriguing feature. Proteus is relatively small, with a diameter of about 418 kilometers, 260 miles, making it a little more than half the size of Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Despite its small size, Proteus has a significant gravitational pull that shapes its orbit and the way it interacts with other objects in the Neptune system. Interestingly, Proteus follows a near-circular orbit around Neptune, located within the planet's rings, which further adds to its mystery. One of the most intriguing aspects of Proteus is its orbit. Unlike many of Neptune's moons, Proteus follows a highly irregular orbit. Its orbit eccentric, which means it is not perfectly circular, and its inclination is tilted relative to Neptune's equator. Scientists are still working to understand the reasons for this unusual orbit, with theories ranging from gravitational interactions with Neptune's other moons to the possibility that Proteus was once a captured body from the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects beyond Neptune. Because of its irregular orbit and location within the planet's rings, Proteus also has a unique relationship with Neptune. The moon is thought to be a source of debris within the planet's inner ring system. This debris likely results from the impact craters and the constant bombardment that Proteus has faced over its long history. This makes Proteus an important object for studying the dynamics of planetary ring systems and understanding the interactions between moons and their parent planets. In terms of composition, Proteus is believed to be made up largely of water ice and silicate rock. The ice on the surface of the moon is thought to be a remnant of the primordial material that formed the outer planets and their moons. This composition makes Proteus similar to many other moons of the outer solar system, which are primarily composed of ice and rock. However, Proteus's heavily cratered surface suggests that it has been in existence for a very long time, and that it has not been subject to the same levels of geological activity that other moons have experienced. Although Proteus is not as famous as some other moons in the solar system, it remains an important object of study. Future missions to Neptune, such as NASA's proposed Neptune orbiter, could provide even more detailed information about Proteus and its place in Neptune's complex moon system. By studying Proteus, scientists can better understand the history of the outer solar system, the formation of moons, and the impact processes that shape celestial bodies over time. In conclusion, Proteus is a unique and intriguing moon of Neptune, offering valuable insights into the nature of the outer solar system. Its heavily cratered surface, irregular orbit, and lack of geological activity make it a fascinating object for scientists seeking to unravel the mysteries of the distant worlds beyond our own.